Why is my house now all of a sudden settling? Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Foundation Repair. You ask, we answer. Today's question is, why is my house now all of a sudden settling?
Well, chances are it's been settling at a pretty even rate through its entire lifetime. There are things that can affect that, like especially rainy years or especially expansive soils, but the most likely reason that you're noticing it now is that you're spending a lot of time in your home, and materials can only take so much pressure before they finally succumb to those external forces and have visible cracks.
Yeah, thanks Garrett. Yeah, so like Garrett was saying, you're spending more time in our houses. We're noticing things that we may have already seen, but we just didn't pay attention. But like Garrett said too, the age of the house is going to be kind of dependent on, obviously how it was constructed, the grading practices. Plus, most of the homes that we work on are 40, 50, 60 to 130 years old. So, long story short, more than likely things move, earth and soil moves. So it will probably eventually happen, just depends on how rapidly it happens and, how differential is the settlement.
Yep.
All right, thank you, Garrett, and
Thanks,
thank
Ryan.
you for joining us on another episode of You Ask,
We Answer.